When you're teaching Gong Yoga, learning how to play the Gong appropriately for the asanas that are in the yoga class is very important. The purpose of playing the Gong with an asana is to support the energy of the asana. We know that some asanas are very soft, or easy, or relaxing, while other asanas are more energizing or challenging. The way you play the Gong to match the energy of the asana can be very helpful for the student. What we've done is to divide all the asanas. There's probably, some people say there's 84,000, but we divide all the asanas into 9 major categories. When you play the Gong, you play accordingly energetically to one of these 9 categories. And we'll play the Gong in a way that will support the energy of that particular asana. Supine asanas are done on the back. The rhythm rate is very slow, the volume level is very soft, and the Gong is played at the bottom area of the Gong. For the seated postures, the rhythm is slow, the volume is soft, and the Gong is played right above the bottom. For the twisting postures, the rhythm is still somewhat slow, the volume level is somewhat soft, and the area of the Gong is the bottom mid area. For the forward bend postures, the rhythm is slightly slow, slightly soft, and played below the center of the Gong. For inversions, the rhythm is moderate and equal. The volume is also moderate. The playing area of the Gong is alternating above and below the center of the Gong. For standing postures, the Gong is played slightly fast, slightly loud, and slightly above the center. For backbends, the Gong is played fast, somewhat loud, and near the top of the Gong. The abdominal postures, the Gong is played somewhat fast and somewhat loud, and right at the top mid area of the Gong. The last category of asanas are the arm balances. The rhythm rate is very fast, the volume level is fairly loud, and the Gong is played near the top.